guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Elsie. If this is your first time here, then welcome. And if you are returning, then welcome back. So I just wanted to hop on here and give you guys a really quick update on my hair since we are at 8 months. Yay! Drop your lock date below so I can see who was around the 8-month mark with me. Or if you're not at the 8-month mark, I still want to know where you guys are at your journey. So drop it down below. But yeah, we're doing good. I feel like I'm looking good. I feel like they are officially really starting to look like locks and not looking like twists anymore. I did interlock my roots about a month ago. So I will make a video speaking more about that, but I feel like ever since I interlocked my hair, it's looked way more mature and way more like locks, so that's exciting. I did dye my ends as well. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I did dye my ends at home permanently. I know I was talking about it in my 6-month update, but I did go through with it. So I filmed the process on how I dyed my ends at home. That video will be up soon in case you guys are interested in doing the same. But yeah, we're doing good. We are making our way to the 1-year mark. If you guys see that little weird twig thing in my hair, I don't know what it was. Ignore it. I took it out. But yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure that you like and comment. If you're not part of the family, then make sure that you subscribe. And I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.